Hiking is one of the best ways to stay fit while enjoying nature. Whether you're looking to improve endurance, burn calories, or just reduce stress, hitting the trails is a fantastic way to achieve your fitness goals. In this video, I'll share some of the best beginner-friendly hiking trails and essential tips to make your experience enjoyable and safe. Hiking is a full-body workout that improves cardiovascular health, strengthens muscles, and burns a ton of calories. Unlike a treadmill, hiking engages stabilizing muscles as you navigate uneven terrain. Plus, the fresh air and nature help reduce stress and boost mental clarity. A moderate hike can burn between 300 to 600 calories per hour, depending on intensity and terrain. Here are some fantastic beginner-friendly trails you can try. Griffith Park Trails in Los Angeles, California, which offers great city views and a manageable incline. The Great Smoky Mountains in Tennessee/North Carolina, featuring gentle rolling hills and breathtaking scenery. Blue Hills Reservation in Massachusetts, which has a great mix of easy to moderate trails. Acadia National Park in Maine, known for its easy coastal trails with stunning ocean views, and your local state park, as many state parks have beginner-friendly hiking loops. Tip: start with well-marked, shorter trails of 2 to 3 miles before progressing to longer hikes. To ensure a great experience, keep these tips in mind. Wear proper footwear and invest in good hiking shoes with ankle support. Stay hydrated by bringing at least 1 liter of water per hour of hiking. Pack smart with essentials including snacks, a first aid kit, a map, and sunscreen. Check the weather to avoid hiking in extreme heat or bad weather. Start slow by beginning with short, easy hikes before attempting longer ones. And tell someone your plan by always informing a friend or family member about your hike. Hiking is an amazing way to boost fitness while immersing yourself in nature. Start with easy trails, prepare well, and enjoy the journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more outdoor and fitness content. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite hiking trail? See you on the trails!